Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video you will find out the easiest way to start a dropshipping business. Plus, I will share my proven strategy to generate $500 a day with dropshipping business. This strategy will work for everyone out there, even you are new to dropshipping or you have some experience with dropshipping business, but you are not getting any success with your business. And of course, this will work only if you follow this step-by-step ultimate guide, easy way to start dropshipping business. If you're totally new to dropshipping business and want to know how this business works, you can watch the next few seconds of introduction to dropshipping and learn how this business works. You can skip the introduction if you already knew what is dropshipping business and proceed with the next step where you will learn the easiest way to start a dropshipping business. But for now, let's start with the introduction. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business, but in dropshipping, you don't need the inventory or upfront cost. You import the product from dropshipping supplier to your website. When customer buys the product from your website, supplier ships the product to your customer address. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I will reveal my secret strategy to make more than $500 a day only if you follow exact same steps that I'm going to show you for your dropshipping business. The first step in starting a successful dropshipping business is to find a niche that you are passionate about. Your niche will be the foundation of your business, so it's essential to choose something you have some knowledge or interest in. Brainstorming ideas for niche can be daunting, but there are many ways to get started. You can start by identifying your hobbies or interests and then narrow down your idea by looking at the market trend and gaps in industry. Take time to think about what makes you happy and what problems you would like to solve with your business. For example, consider selling workout gear or supplement if you're interested in fitness. If traveling is your passion, consider dropshipping travel products such as luggage, travel gadgets, or travel insurance. Once you have settled on a niche that aligns with your passion or interest, it's time to research a popular product. This step is crucial because it helps you to identify which product will sell well. One way to research a popular product is by using Google Trends, which is a free tool. This tool allows you to see the specific search term popularity over time. It gives you insight into what people are searching for within your chosen niche. And this is my way to finding a trending product. I use TikTok. On TikTok, you can use the search term Amazon finds and TikTok made me buy it. It shows which products are currently popular based on the video likes, comments, and share. And of course, video published date. If a new video has a lot of likes and comments, that means you can sell the same product on your website as well. However, you can use the advanced tool to find a trending product like Ali Insider. This tool will provide you with all the trending product by category, date, intent, and so on. You can get this tool for free from the video description. Regarding dropshipping, finding the right platform is crucial for your success. Many e-commerce platforms are available, but two of the most popular ones are Shopify and WooCommerce. Shopify is a fully hosted platform, meaning you pay monthly fees to use their service and they take care of everything from hosting to security update. It is incredibly user-friendly and offers many features, including easy-to-use interface, customizable templates, and integration with various apps. To get a 3-month free trial of Shopify, you can click on the first link in the video description, and don't worry, you can cancel it anytime. On the other hand, WooCommerce is an open source platform that allows you to create online store using WordPress. It's free to use, but you'll need to find a web hosting and install a WooCommerce plugin yourself. The benefit of this option is that it is highly customizable and offers more flexibility in the terms of design and functionality. The downside is that if you don't have any experience with WordPress, in that case, it can be more challenging to set up than Shopify. If you want to know which one I personally use, well, I use both. I have 3 Shopify stores and 2 WooCommerce dropshipping stores as well. Both types of store can be profitable if you will follow the next step. Otherwise, you can't be successful even you have spent thousands of dollars on your website. The success of your dropshipping business relies heavily on reliable supplier who can provide you quality product and fast shipping at competitive price. This is the most important step. If you have bad supplier, then you end up with a failure. In all my dropshipping website, I personally use 𝘃𝗁𝗃, which is the reliable and trustworthy supplier over the internet. It provides you with high quality premium products with fast shipping. Moreover, you can integrate with Shopify or WooCommerce store with 𝘃𝗁𝗃 easily. Link to use 𝘃𝗁𝗃 in the video description. If you are setting up a Shopify store, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Connect your domain with Shopify if you have one. Otherwise, you can get a new domain from domain provider company like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and so on. In Step 2, install professional looking theme. In Step 3, connect your store with a reliable supplier like 𝗧𝗯𝗃. In Step 4, set up shipping and payment method. In Step 5, install these essential apps to boost up your sale and conversion rate. In Step 6, import products from 𝗧𝗯𝗃 and your store is ready. If you want to set up a WooCommerce store, follow these simple steps. In Step 1, buy web hosting and domain name. Step 2, install WordPress. In Step 3, install a theme. In Step 4, install WooCommerce plugin. In Step 5, set up payment gateway and shipping method. In Step 6, connect 𝗧𝗯𝗃 with WooCommerce. In Step 7, import product from 𝗧𝗯𝗃. And if you want a full detailed video how to set up a WooCommerce store for your dropshipping business, you will find a video tutorial in the video description. Social media can be a great way to promote your business and reach potential customers. The first step is to create an account on popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. We all know the power of social media. Use these free resources to promote your product. If you're asking which social media platform I personally use, well, I personally rely on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. But I found in TikTok, my video rank higher than other platforms. TikTok organically pushes the new video to the right audience within a few days. On the other hand, on Instagram, your videos can take months to get views. So, here's my secret. I use TikTok to promote my product organically. I don't use TikTok ads or anything else to make $500 a day. Ensure your profile includes a clear description of what you offer and link to your website. Once you have created your account, start building your followers by sharing interesting content related to your niche. This can include product photos, blog posts, industry news, or anything else that would be interested potential customer. You can also use social media to engage with your followers by replying to their comments and messages. It is important to fulfill the order when you receive it on your dropshipping website. Order fulfillment process is so simple if you have a supplier like 𝗧𝗯𝗃. Once you receive an order, 𝗧𝗯𝗃 automatically ship the product to your customer address. Once your dropshipping business is running, it's time to think about scaling up. One of the first steps in making this happen is analyzing sale data, identifying trends. This can help you better understanding what products are popular and what strategy works best for your business. Look at your sales report and note down which products are selling well and which aren't. Consider focusing more on products that are doing well or finding the way to improve marketing and sales strategy for those that aren't. Another essential aspect of scaling up your business is expanding product offering. Once you have established a successful niche, it's time to reach out into the related categories or sub-niche categories. This attracts new customers who may be interested in the other types of product within your niche and increase revenue through the cross-selling and upselling. However, staying within your original niche and trying to sell everything under the sun is important. Stay focused on what you know the best for your business. And that's all you need to know to become a successful dropshipper. This is the easiest way to start and run a successful dropshipping business. If you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below, and I'll definitely answer your questions as quickly as possible. And don't forget to check out these two videos right here. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.